I wake up. I check the time. It's not too late. I sit up. My phone is right there. I see a message from Sarah. She sent it last night. I didn't reply. She always sends long messages. I like her, but she talks a lot. I'll text her later. I get up. I walk to the bathroom. The mirror looks the same. My hair looks messy. I brush my teeth. The water is cold, then warm. I think about work. I have a meeting today. Same people, same room. My boss will talk first. He always does. I put on a shirt. Then I change. This one feels better. I walk to the kitchen. I see my coffee cup. It's still there from yesterday. I rinse it. Just a quick rinse. I make coffee. The smell is good. I drink a little. Too hot. I wait. I look at my phone again. Another message. This one is from work. I don't open it. I grab my bag. My keys are inside. I check. Yes. I walk outside. The air feels nice. My neighbor is outside. He waves. I wave back. He talks about the weather. He always does. I smile. I nod. I get in my car. I sit for a second. I think about gas. I need gas soon. I start the car. The radio comes on. It's the same song again. I turn it off. I drive. The road is busy. I stop at a light. A guy next to me is on his phone. The light turns green. He doesn't move. I wait. Then he moves. I drive again. I think about lunch. Maybe a sandwich, maybe salad. I parked near the office, same spot as always. I turn off the car. I take my bag. I see my coworker walking in. She's already on a call. She talks fast. She always does. I follow her inside. I walk into the office. The lights are already on. Someone says good morning. I say it back. I put my bag down. I sit at my desk. My computer is slow today. It always is. I open my email. There are many emails. Most of them are short. One is from my boss. Just one line. Can we talk later? I know what that means. Later today. I don't answer yet. My coworker sits next to me. He brings coffee again. Big coffee. He says he didn't sleep well. He says that every week. I nod. I sip my coffee. Another coworker walks by. She asks about the meeting. I say it's at 10. She says okay. She walks away. I look at my screen again. Same file as yesterday. I type a little. Then I stop. Someone laughs across the room. I don't know why. The printer starts making noise. It sounds angry. Someone hits it lightly. It stops. I check the time. Still early. I open a message from my friend. She sent a picture. Her dog is on the couch. The dog looks happy. I smile. I send a short reply. Cute. I hear my name. My boss is there. He asks about a report. I say I'm working on it. He nods. He walks away. I open the report. It looks long. I scroll again. I think about lunch. Not yet. Someone talks about food nearby. Pizza. Tacos. I listen. I don't say anything. My phone buzzes again. Another message from work. I ignore it. I take another sip of coffee. It's cold now. I stand up. I stretch my arms. Someone asks if I want more coffee. I say, maybe later. I sit down again. I look at the screen. I type a few lines. I save the file. That's enough for now. It's almost noon. People start standing up. Someone says, lunchtime. Someone grabs a jacket. I take my phone. I put it in my pocket. I walk outside with a few coworkers. The sun is strong now. One guy talks about traffic. He always does. Another one talks about food. He's hungry already. We walk to a small place nearby. We always go there. The menu is the same. I don't even look. I order a sandwich. No cheese. The guy in front of me orders fast. He comes here a lot. We wait. Not long. I pay. I look at the number. It's higher than last time. I don't say anything. We sit at a table outside. The chair is a bit shaky. Someone talks about a show on TV. I didn't watch. I just eat. My phone buzzes again. A message from my friend. She asks about the weekend. I haven't answered yet. I type one word. Maybe. I keep eating. A car passes by too fast. It's loud. Someone drops a fork. It makes a sound. I finish my food. I wipe my hands. We stand up. Someone says, "See you later." I walk back to the office, alone. That feels nice. I stop at a small store, just for a minute. I buy a drink, cold one. I pay again, another number. I walk out. I drink a little. Back at the office, the air feels cold. I sit down. I open my computer. The same screen. The same file. I move the mouse. I click. I work a bit. Then I stop. Someone asks a question nearby. Someone answers. I keep looking at my screen. It's later in the afternoon. People start packing up. Someone says, "See you tomorrow." Someone leaves early. I shut down my computer. The screen goes black. I grab my bag. I stand up. My coworker asks about dinner. She wants pasta tonight. I say, "That sounds good." I don't join her. I walk out of the building. The sun is lower now. I get into my car. The seat is warm. I start driving. Traffic is slow. The car in front of me stops, then goes, then stops again. I check the gas light. Still on. I turn into a gas station. I should have done this earlier. I get out of the car. The wind is strong. I fill the tank. The numbers go up fast. I look at the screen. I shake my head a little. I finish. I put the nozzle back. I get back in the car. I feel better now. I drive again. The road opens up. I pass a grocery store. I remember I need milk. I turn in. Just for a few things. Inside the store, it's bright. I grab a basket. Not a cart. Milk, bread, eggs. I see a sale sign. I don't need it. A kid runs by. His mom calls his name. I wait in line. The line moves slow. The person in front of me counts coins. That takes time. I don't mind. I pay. I take my bag. Back in the car, I check my phone. A message from Sarah. She sent another one. I smile. I'll answer later. I drive home. The street is quieter now. I park. I turn off the engine. I sit for a second. Just a second. Then I open the door. I walk into my place. I drop my bag by the door. The house feels quiet. The good kind. I put the groceries on the counter. Milk first. Then eggs. I forget the bread for a second. It's still in the bag. I take it out. I check the fridge. There's food inside. Old food. I close the door. I don't feel like cooking. I look at my phone. A missed call from my mom. I call her back. She asks about my day. I say it was fine. She talks about her neighbor. Same story as last time. I listen. I say yeah. She asks if I ate. I say not yet. She tells me to eat something. I say I will. We hang up. I sit at the table. I scroll a little. I see pictures. Food, pets, vacation photos. I stop scrolling. I open the fridge again. I take out leftovers. I put them in the microwave. 2 minutes. I wait. I lean on the counter. The microwave beeps. I take the food out. I eat standing up. Just a few bites. I sit down on the couch. The couch feels soft. I turn on the TV. I don't really watch. I check my phone again. A message from Sarah. I finally reply. Just a short one. She sends a smiley face. I put the phone down. I take off my shoes. I stretch my legs. I think about tomorrow. Work again. I don't think too long. I turn off the TV. The room gets quiet again. I stand up. I turn off the lights. I walk to the bedroom. I sit on the bed. I plug in my phone. I set the alarm. I lie down. I pull the blanket up. The day is done. I lie in bed. The room is dark. I turn to one side, then the other. My phone lights up. One more message. It's from work. I don't open it. I put the phone face down. I hear a car outside, then another one. Someone laughs on the street. It sounds far away. I think about my friend again, the one with the dog. Her dog was on the couch. My couch is empty. I smile. I remember I left milk on the counter. I forgot to put it away. I don't get up. I think about tomorrow morning. Coffee first. Always coffee. I move my pillow. It feels better now. I close my eyes. Then I open them again. I hear my stomach. Just a small sound. I think about snacks. I don't move. I pull the blanket higher.